to fix failed to load DLL from the list error code 126 in Windows 11. So if you want to fix failed to load DLL from the list error code 216 or 126 in Windows 11, then what you need to do is just simply select a shortcut, any shortcut that you're comfortable with that is not working. And after that, you can go with show more options and go with properties. Under properties, you can go with the security section or go with the compatibility section, and here you will have run this program in a compatibility mode or run as administrator. So you just need to simply click on the administrator option or compatibility option. Once you click on it, you need to go with apply and OK, and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is to go with your search, and under search you need to search for virus and threat protection and click on it. Here you need to go with manage settings and toggle the switch off for real-time protection. And after that, you need to go back and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to update your Microsoft Net framework. You might experience these two DLL errors if Microsoft Net framework is outdated. So it would be best to try and update the built-in software, as it might help you to fix the problem. To do so, you need to access your Microsoft dedicated web page and download the latest version of Net, and that might fix your problem. Or you need to go with the last option, which is verify game files. So you need to launch your Steam, and here you need to go with library, which is on the top left. From the library, select the game, right click on it, go with manage, and go with browse local files, and here you will have all of the local files. Or you can also go with properties, and then you can go with updates, and here if you have any updates, you need to update, and under the updates you will have the verify integrity of game files. And after clicking on verify integrity of the game files, you need to restart your Steam and it will fix your problem. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.